you want to learn a stretching method that actually works with your muscles, I'm going to show you how MET stretching can improve flexibility, reduce pain, and give your clients faster results in just minutes. I'm going to do an MET muscle energy technique for the Latissimus Dorsi. So we've already massaged the area. We'll get him into this position here and take him to the bite point, which is around this area. Now I want one hand to secure, and we're going to hold it in that position as a passive stretch for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the client is going to resist against. So they are trying to do that against my resistance. So there'll be an isometric contraction. Off you go for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, we're going to relax. We take it slightly further if possible. So we've done one round. Hold it in this new position for 10 seconds. The client resists for 10 seconds. That's activating the muscle. And relax. Set 2. Take it down to set 3. So this will be the third stretch. Hold it passively for 10 seconds. Actively resist. Good. 9, 10, relax. And the last hold is a 30-second hold. So it's great to stretch the latissimus dorsi at the end of a treatment. We hope you found this video informative and can use these techniques with your clients. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.